Imagine a factory floor where tireless humanoid figures assemble products with precision through the night, or an elderly home where a gentle robot companion fetches medicine and shares a conversation. This is not a distant sci-fi dream. In China today, AI-powered humanoid robots are stepping out of laboratories and into real-world applications, signaling one of the most transformative technological shifts of our generation. As the world grapples with aging populations and labor shortages, China is racing ahead to lead the humanoid revolution, blending cutting-edge artificial intelligence with advanced robotics hardware. What was once the stuff of movies is rapidly becoming an economic and industrial reality. The dawn of a new era in robotics. The humanoid robot surge in China marks a pivotal moment in technological history. Unlike traditional industrial arms fixed to factory floors, these bipedal machines are designed to navigate human environments, perform diverse tasks, and learn from their surroundings through AI. By 2025, China accounted for over 80% of global humanoid robot installations, with estimates around 16,000 units deployed worldwide that year, the vast majority from Chinese manufacturers. This momentum builds on China's established dominance in conventional robotics. The country already leads in industrial robot installations. Now, the focus has shifted to embodied AI, systems where intelligence meets physical form. Companies are deploying robots in pilot programs for manufacturing, logistics, elder care, and even inner AI meant. The pace of progress is striking. Robots that demonstrated basic walking in early demonstrations have evolved to perform complex movements like parkour, martial arts, and synchronized dancing by 2026. This rise is driven by necessity as much as ambition. China faces demographic challenges, including a shrinking workforce due to its aging population. Humanoid robots offer a scalable solution to milliampere I.NTAIN manufacturing competitiveness and support service sectors. With AI models improving rapidly, these machines are moving beyond scripted actions toward more adaptive behaviors, setting the stage for broader adoption. Government backing and strategic vision. China's government has placed humanoid robots at the core of its national strategy. The 15th Five-Year Plan explicitly positions robotics and embodied intelligence as central to building a modern industrial system. This builds on earlier initiatives like the Robot Dots Application Plan and specific guiding opinions on humanoid robot development issued by the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology. Support comes in multiple forms. Generous subsidies, tax incentives, and dedicated funds fuel the sector. Over $20 billion has been allocated recently, alongside a massive 1 trillion yuan National Venture Capital Guidance Fund targeting AI and robotics. Local governments in cities like Beijing, Shanghai, and Shenzhen offer additional grants, free office space, and procurement contracts. State-backed training centers, more than 40 across the country, create simulated environments for robots to learn tasks in retail, healthcare, and homes, generating millions of valuable data points. Standardization efforts are also underway. A dedicated technical committee works on national standards covering the entire robot lifecycle, from safety to interoperability. This mirrors China's successful strategies in high-speed RAIL and 5G AI Ming to shape global norms. The vision extends to mass production targets and supply CHAIN security, with goals for commercialization accelerating toward the end of the current 5-year period. This top-down push integrates with broader AI ambitions. China sees humanoid robots as a way to diffuse intelligence across industries, boost productivity, and reduce reliance on human labor in repetitive or hazardous roles. By combining domestic AI advancements, such as models from companies like DeepSeek, with hardware strengths, officials AIM, to create economically viable systems that transform manufacturing and beyond. Key players and breakthrough technologies. Several companies lead China's humanoid charge. Unitree Robotics stands out, shipping thousands of units like the G1 model, known for agility and relatively affordable pricing compared to Western counterparts. Agibot has also delivered significant volumes, focusing on industrial applications. Ubtech, with its Walker series, deploys robots in various settings and continues scaling production. Other players include Humanoid and numerous startups, with over 150 companies active in the space by 2025. This competitive ecosystem, while leading to some duplication, drives rapid iteration. Many benefit from China's control over key supply. The country leads in LiDAR sensors, harmonic reducers, and joint production. Automated lines for humanoid components further reduce costs and speed manufacturing. Technologically, integration of advanced AI is key. Vision language action models enable robots to process visual input, understand instructions, and execute physical actions. Reinforcement learning and imitation learning help them master movements. Chinese firms leverage abundant real-world data from training centers and factories to refine these systems. Battery life, dexterity, and balance continue to improve, though full autonomy in unstructured environments remains a work in progress. Affordability is a major differentiator. Entry-level models for education or home use start at prices as low as a few $1,000s, making them accessible for research and smaller deployments. This contrasts with higher-cost Western prototypes, still largely in development phases. Component localization reduces dependency on imports for critical parts like motors and sensors. Impressive demonstrations and capabilities. Public showcases highlight the progress. During major events like the Spring Festival Gala, robots from multiple companies danced, performed comedy skits, and demonstrated martial arts, captivating hundreds of millions of viewers. Competitions such as the World Humanoid Robot Games showcase agility, with Chinese entries excelling in speed and coordination. In practical terms, robots now handle tasks like battery swapping in minutes, basic assembly, and navigation in controlled environments. Some assist in elder care or education. Industrial pilots explore assembly lines where humanoids work alongside or instead of humans. While many demonstrations still involve teleoperation or structured settings, the trend is toward greater independence as AI models advance. Progress from 2025 to 2026 shows marked improvement in fluidity of motion and task complexity. Robots that once struggled with basic locomotion now perform dynamic actions. This rapid evolution stems from iterative hardware tweaks and better training data. Companies continue pushing boundaries with new form factors and specialized variants. Economic and societal impacts. The potential economic benefits are substantial. Humanoid robots could help sustain manufacturing output amid labor shortages, enhance productivity, and open new export markets. Projections suggest the domestic market could grow significantly, contributing to broader GDP-GAI. In services, robots may support healthcare and domestic tasks, addressing caregiving needs in an aging society. Societally, the technology raises questions about job displacement, but also opportunities for human workers to shift to higher value roles. Training programs AIM to prepare the workforce for collaboration with robots. Ethical considerations around data privacy, safety, and human-robot interaction are being addressed through emerging standards. Globally, China's leadership in deployment volume positions it to gather data faster, accelerating improvement cycles. This could influence international supply, CHAIS, and standards. Lower-cost robots may democratize access to automation for developing economies. Challenges on the horizon. Despite impressive gains, hurdles remain. Dexterity and precision for fine manipulation tasks still lag behind human capabilities in many cases. Full autonomy in unpredictable real-world settings requires further AI breakthroughs. Costs, while dropping, need to decrease more for widespread commercial viability beyond pilots. Supply chain dependencies on certain high-end components persist, and regulatory frameworks must evolve for safety and liability. Market bubble risks have been noted by officials, with potential consolidation among the many startups. Energy efficiency, battery technology, and long-term durability are ongoing engineering challenges. Public acceptance and ethical guidelines will also shape adoption rates. International competition and geopolitical factors, including export controls on technologies, add complexity. Balancing innovation with workforce transitions requires careful policy. Global implications and the future. China's humanoid robot rise is reshaping the global technology landscape. By focusing on scale, cost reduction, and data-driven AI, the country is challenging assumptions about where leadership in physical AI will emerge. As robots become more capable, they promise to redefine industries from manufacturing to personal assistance. Looking ahead, continued investment and iteration could lead to broader commercialization in the coming years. Success will depend on overcoming technical barriers and integrating robots seamlessly into society. The world is watching as China turns ambitious plans into tangible machines that walk, learn, and work among us. This revolution invites collaboration and competition alike. Nations must invest in their own capabilities while learning from rapid advances elsewhere. For individuals, the humanoid era brings both excitement and adaptation needs. China's AI-powered robots are not just rising, they are helping define our shared technological future. What do you think? Will humanoid robots boost productivity and improve lives, or bring unexpected disruptions? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates on groundbreaking technologies. Drop a like if you want more deep dives into AI, robotics, and China's tech rise. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.